Covering a lot of news on trade today as talks continue between the United States and Canada. Our next guest says a new NAFTA deal must include all three of the countries involved, the U.S., Mexico, and Canada. The CEO and president of the National Association of Manufacturers, Jay Timmons, is our guest. I'm sure, Jay, good to see you, by the way. Thank you for coming on. You. I'm sure you saw the news that we discussed in our last segment involving a report from Bloomberg News that the president may be willing to move forward with $200 billion or tariffs on $200 billion worth of goods on China as early as next week. So I have a joint statement from your group and from the Canadian manufacturers and exports I just want to put on the screen because it incorporates China, and we'll talk about it a little bit. We must also stand together with our regional allies, you say, to ensure competitors like China do not reap the rewards of unfair anti-market trade practices. So, our previous two guests were concerned about financial markets and the economy. Do you have a different point of view? Do you support the president's initiative here, presuming that this report's true?
Well, look, I think we always have to worry about the financial markets and the economy overall, and most importantly, from our organization's perspective, the impact on manufacturing workers. You cited our release with the Canadian manufacturers. There was also a release by the Business Roundtable, Josh Bolton, their CEO, as well as their counterpart in Canada. I believe it's the Canadian Business Council.
Right.
And they were saying the same thing, that we need to have a trilateral agreement because there's such a massive influx of goods between our countries. The operations have some efficiency issues that need to be looked at, so integration and efficiency issues. So that's why we need to have an agreement for all three parties. Having said that, going back to to China, by showing the world that we can come up with NAFTA 2.0, it sends a message to China that we mean business in the United States. So from that standpoint, we're very excited that we could have a trilateral agreement that could send a message to China that we're not going to allow them to continue to cheat and get away with unfair practices.
Does it give us leverage?
I think it does.
Yeah.
Look, I think it gives us leverage around the world. We've already seen Cecilia Malmström, the Commissioner of Trade from the European Union, come in today and say, look, we're willing to wipe out tariffs on autos if the U.S. is. That was something the president asked for. Looks like he got that. So I'm hopeful that our progress on NAFTA will give us some leverage with China. I think it should.
As it seems to be playing out in these situations, I've done stories with different types of groups. Sometimes you talk to farmers, you get one answer. Sometimes you talk to people in the steel business, you get another answer. There seem to be winners and losers in all of this. So as we get tougher and tougher on China, isn't there a period of time where the losers will start to add up and the pain will start to add up? What do you say to those people who are losers?
Well, look, that's been our message all along. We don't think tariffs are good, ever.
Yeah.
And having said that, for manufacturers in the United States, we're very pleased with the progress we've made on tax reform, on regulatory reform.
Sure.
That has given us a lot of running room in terms of resources for investment and jobs and wage growth. Tariffs could start to peel that back, and we want to make sure that we protect those gains that we've made.
You worried
and we've been very clear.
You think we're close to that point?
I can't say that for sure. I will say this. We've made it very clear that tariffs add to the cost of goods here in the United States. It harms our ability to spend money on investment and jobs. And that's been the goal of the administration. The administration has to balance that.
Right.
And those are all factors that they're taking into account. They're trying a new type of negotiating tactic. Seems to have worked when it comes to NAFTA. I was really pleased to see the 10-year agreement for intellectual property protections for biologics. That's something that we weren't able to get in the Trans-Pacific Partnership.
It wasn't getting a lot of attention either. But
no, it didn't. And it's a
Jay,
great win.
We're a little tight for time today, so I'm going to wrap it up there. But we do appreciate your perspective. Thanks a lot.
It's great to be here.